21st of July 2023, desktop recording, and I want before implementing some code and algorithm, making some algorithm, just make it clear what we want to do first. When you want to make a program, you have to know it in a simple and plain English word. After that, it become as an algorithm or implementation. Okay. And now, if this internet wants to fire up here, wants to became alive, that seems okay. Let's come here, because we have here in our application moving averages of Bitcoin. Oh no, I mean, you stop as even. If I'm coming, for example, here to take a look at this chart, first of all, just explanation here. Come on. Okay, let me open charts. Okay, I have here two moving average for myself here. I have here moving average 15 minutes, which I have 15, I mean moving average 15, and I need this to be moving average 200, and then time frames. Okay, I have here two moving average, 100 days, 100 days average. This price here, this line, what you here see at this level, average price in 100 days was this, but the price was really upper than, if you look at this, was it here, this was a moving average, but price goes so up, but again come back to this moving average, and this moving average, because this is 5-minute chart, if I say okay, now give me 1 hour, clearly we see here moving averages changes. And now what I wanna do, I need moving average 1 hour here. Here I have 1 hour in 200 days and 1 hour in 100 days. And if you take a look at this chart, I want to just explain you something, how powerful a moving average could be. Okay, here, what the fuck is this here? Let's read the chart. This is 1 hour chart, and we are going to read it from 15, or let me say from July 23. Okay, we have here a purple line, which is moving average 200, this purple one. And now let's analysis. Okay, this chart comes up. Okay, if it touches down, okay, it comes down again. If touches that line, which is moving average, it's come all the way down. What it wants to say, again, wait a moment, again it tries to reach that line, but again rejected. Okay, and now let's go next. And now let's look at this. And now we have here now to deal with moving average 100. Okay, and now look at this again rejected. And here in this candle, what you here see, that line broken for some hour, but again reaches 200 level and all the way down. And now look at this here again and again. If charts coming near this line, we have rejected, just rejected. This is how moving average plays, and this is just simple moving average. I have no other indicator, just moving average 100 and 200. And look at this. You say, okay, Sami, let me make it daily. I say here, okay, this is chart 100 daily scale. Okay, okay, this is when I made this Fibonacci, that was 20 June, 1 month back. Okay, and let me now expand it, because nothing is here changed, just amazing. Okay, here is nothing changed. What I wanna do, I want to say, okay, just go further. Okay, and now reset the chart, and you see we have here also Fibonacci. look at this line. I'm not going to explain about Fibonacci, but look at this line. This is line level 768. Look at this. When it touches, bounce back. When it touches, bounce back. When it touches, bounce back. Touches, bounce back. But here we have touches, not any bounce back. Little bit touches, touches, touches. And when you see something like this, okay, here I say, okay, here, take a look. Up, up, touches, down. This is resistance which rejects, and this is just support. Okay, we have here now for this is a basic one. Okay, for this one now I need two things. I need to calculate Fibonacci line, which is Fibonacci level here. But first of all, I need to work with moving averages. Okay, and Fibonacci come at the second place. And here let's come back to moving averages again. Let's come back here. This is a mechanism that now we want to implement as C# code, which is now first of all understandable. After that, when you understand it in English or in any other language, then we want to implement it. Okay, let me again back to my, let's go back to 3-minute chart. Okay, bro, let me check what the heck is this now. Height drawing. Okay, I have here 3-minute chart for scalping. Okay, and now let's track the chart here. Let's make an analysis here. Okay, we have here a heavy dump here, and it occurred here here at this level. Which line? Proper line 200 here, moving average 200, all the way down. Okay, all the way down. And now let's analysis here. Go further. Just here, it seems there is a support line here. It seems, but let's see how further goes. Okay, further, yeah, again touches. Again, this line touches. Again, touch. Okay, it seems we have a support here. It seems. Okay, yeah, we have a support here. And now after that, you see it goes up. This is 3-minute chart, 3 minutes just for scalping. And then that was a support line, valid support line, which is now, if I'm saying, okay, I'm going to do this, for example, this was a valid support line, which is reliable at the time. Now I have no any idea. Okay, and after that, now we are coming here. Amazing. This is all happened. Let me say something. Chart, 4-hour chart. I'm going to clear here. How can I? Oh yeah, here. I say here, remove drawing. I have here 3-hour chart, 4 hours. Sorry. Let's come back here. Let's see when a jump happened. Actually, what happens here? For example, here at this again on proper line. Okay, again we have here a touch. They say that as a. After that we have huge pump again and again. But here, look at this. I'm going to make this just a little bigger, and now this is now here in the form of support, this proper line. But look at here. We have here two touches, which is dumps. Touch, dump, badly. Touch, dump. And then this line, which is 200 or 100 support, and then 200 gives a garant, and then this is a jump. If you can read chart just like this, and your application understand what is this line and how react or how make a good decision, we have to read chart first. Okay, and for that, moving average is the only weapon which is here available and reliable. For me, that's enough. And now look at here. This is 4-hour chart. Okay, we see here we have here on 4-hour chart. First of all, we have here a touch, moving average 100, day 4 hour. We have huge dump. Okay, this is first. If you go back, you see it. And now I have here something interesting. Moving average 100 and 200 coming here at one place, at a dot. What happened then? I don't know. Or heavy dump or heavy jump. Dump or jump. And for that, if you want to see, you have to go, for example, in shorter time frame, which is now here, and then look at this. Here I have proper line, which is in 1 minute, is now resistance here. It's dump my chart here again, touches down, and this chart seems wanna go downside, or I don't know, something like that. 15 minutes again, I'm coming to 15 minutes. I'm going to make an analysis. We see here two. This is two moving average of 1 and 100, both 15 minutes. And look at this, touch, dump, and now we have exactly this situation in 4-hour chart. And if now let's say if it touches and down, and voila, let's see. Let me again remove drawing, and let Big Daddy, let's go to, I don't know, 2-hour chart. No, here is this is very nicely. Let me go to daily. No, I mean to weekly. Here, this is very nice. Look at this, is a weekly chart of 100. This yellow one is 100. I mean this orange one, what you here see is 100 line, and this is 200. And look at our chart in weekly. Each of these candle indicate 1 week. 1 week. Look at this. First of all, a problem here with triple one, which is 200. After that, when it's solved, it jumps, but was other resistance, moving average. Look at this behavior of a chart. When it touch, even not touches, because you see shadows, when you see here long shadows here, this is really makes sense. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. What it say, what this chart says, hey, I have problem here, there is something here, and I tell you, this is moving average 200, heavy resistance here, 32.2. Okay, that's why this is really important. There is nothing important than moving average in crypto world, really. If application read moving averages correctly, after that execute, really just execute some nice function which make profit in a nice way, and in a bad way make lose. But this is the point now. Expect to 26,000 here. Let me say, for example, this is a weekly chart, and let's say if this line wants so, and we have here something about 28,000 for Bitcoin, for example. And if your application understand, okay, hey, maybe we have a dump, okay, you can just sell your position, or I don't know, somehow. And this is what we want to do in C# language. Make an algorithm here to application understand where a chart stands and what is the best decision at the time. Okay, stop it right now. And today we want to start with making an algorithm. So 15 minutes.